Hello, my name is Gerasimenko George. I'm 14 years old. I'm technomecha, also a blogger and popularizer of science. My dream was to develop a autonomous cleaning robot. Here it is. I created it in software Compass 3D and printed it on a 3D printer and large detail milling on a CNC machine. The Robotrack is already now cleaning snow in winter. In addition, a robot is able to move large garbage using a robotic arm. The Robotrack has a machine vision and artificial intelligence, so it is safe. And also, Robotrack has a FPV camera, motor controllers. The Robotrack is controlled by Arduino with Raspberry Pi. It's according to the tank skin, so it is very maneuverable and altering vehicle. In the future, the Robotrack will become a fully autonomous robot. It will be able to work in a group to clean large space in smart city, and it will also have various attachments for cleaning the streets. When I finalize it, I can earn a lot of money, because I'm sure that people need a Robotrack, because cleaning the city is beautiful and safe. Bye-bye!